Alright guys, in the review of this Compliments Diced Coconut. This is frozen. I was surprised I actually had this. I've never thought of getting frozen coconut. There's the ingredients, nutrient panel, and let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so there it is. Let me grab one. Because, you know, when you get coconut, you can get the fresh version too, and it's a lot softer. So there it is. Let me try. It's actually not dry. It's got moisture to it. And not bad for flavoring. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this in a smoothie. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.